Good morning from Rio. I think it's morning number 4. I don't even know. Hair's wet. Just took a shower, but we're currently just packing our bags up because we're checking out of the hotel today. And yeah, we're gonna go explore a little bit more. Gotta be at the airport at around 4 or 5 p.m. So there's about 2 more things I think I want to see. I think we should see. And then I do want to end at Copacabana again for like another beach day. At least touch the water a little bit because we still haven't been able to. So yeah, that's the plan and we'll go from there. Also, forgot to show you guys the view from our hotel. Have like a little bit of a balcony here. Yeah, I mean the hotel isn't terrible. It's not amazing. It's whatever, but the location is great. Like, we were just a few steps from the subway every time, and it was always easy to get around the city. But yeah, this is what the view is looking like. So yeah, not too bad, not too shabby. And yeah, we'll see where the day takes us today. Like I said, might go grab some hotel breakfast. But yeah, I don't know if you can see me in the reflection of the other mirror over there. Right there. Let's go grab some hotel breakfast and get this day going. Alright, well, we've made it onto the Santa Teresa train ride. Check these sights out so far. There's a favela right across from us here. I'm not entirely sure which one it is. I can't entirely tell. But it's one, for sure. It's big too. You can see the Christ, the Redeemer, right up there. Okay, we just got back from the Santa Teresa train ride, the tram. It was alright. Decent experience, super cool views that we saw. We saw even a few favelas, a decent view of the Cristo Redentor, and then Maracana Stadium, the city. So overall, a relatively positive experience. So if you're looking for something in terms of just some quick sightseeing maybe, then I would recommend it. I don't know if I would do it again personally, but I don't know, that's just me. It was pretty cheap, so might be a cool way to just go out there and see some views of the city. We are now thinking of what we're gonna do. Like I said, I want to go back to Copacabana. Honestly, I can't get enough of the beach. The vibes there are just amazing. But we're thinking that we might walk back to the Museum of Tomorrow just to check it out again. It's a cool looking building for sure. And then the reason I want to go is because they have this one cool mural called the Mural of Etnias, I believe. And it's just this massive mural, so I think it would be cool to see that. Yeah, and then we gotta head to the airport. So that's on the agenda right now, but I will check in with you guys because it seems that our plans on this trip have changed around a decent amount. 12. I don't know if we're gonna end up going to the mural. Apparently it's like a 30-ish minute walk, so we'll see, we'll think about it. But we've made it into a Brazilian Starbucks, and this is interesting to say the least. They obviously have some different options such as Brazilian and stuff like that. Have a brigadeiro, a frappuccino, or whatever the hell it is. They have pan de queijo, pastries and stuff like that. Personally, I'm not like into this stuff. If I go to another country, I'm not gonna go to, you know, McDonald's. I don't do that. I understand that it might have different options, but to me, it's kind of a waste. But we're here to try it out, I guess. See what it's like. All right, well, it's another windy day in Rio. Not the greatest weather for 2 days, but it's fine. At least it's not scorching hot. We are not sure what to do, so kind of just killing time. We got to go to the airport relatively soon, so we're gonna head to the Escadaria Celeron once more, check out some of the shops there, and then probably still go to the beach. But yeah, we'll see. Hola, bon dia. We've made it back to Copacabana Beach. Got myself a chicken coxinha. What is this one? The mural didn't work out, but we've got more time than we imagined because our flight was delayed. Supposed to leave at around 7. We're now leaving around 9. We figured, why not come to the beach? The sun is coming out a little bit. It's a little windy. It's a little windy, but it's fine. Also, the coxinha is a little dry, but it's okay. Rio is gorgeous, man. Gorgeous. A little windy though. But yeah, we're headed towards the beach. Again, I don't know why, but not so many people. I think it's because it's Tuesday. Some painting going on here. Well, we've made it here to the beach, and I mean, can't say we've experienced Brazil without headed over to Copacabana and, well, relaxing on some sun chairs. Did not bring our swimsuits, unfortunately. They're packed away in the suitcase, but I mean, Rio is beautiful. We're enjoying. The waves are crashing. I'm not sure how cold the water is. Might go dip my feet in a bit later, but yeah, so far this has been beautiful, beautiful. You got people walking around selling stuff, clothes, looks like mugs, drinks. It's a business after all. It's a business, and you know, I mean, I get it, you know?
I can show you my driving on pencil on the beach.
Obrigado.
Thanks so much.
I'm here in beautiful Copacabana, feet in the sand, getting my calf workout in, and it's windy. I hope you can hear me, but it's windy. But the water feels nice, and we're enjoying. Alright, so we are off the beach. What is it there? I don't know. But we're off the beach and we're grabbing some juices. What's this place? Cosecha. I got this one. Mango, strawberry, and pineapple.
Obrigada, tá?
Obrigado. Pretty good. There you go. Okay. On the move again. Honestly trying to kill some time at this point for the flight. We'll see what there is to do. Might grab some food. This will be in Sao Paulo pretty late, so won't be able to get too much food then. All right, well, we've made it into like a candy store, like a snack store, and we figure we're gonna grab some Brazilian snacks for the airport and try them out. They got a bunch of stuff that I've never even heard of, obviously, right? What are those? Huh?
Feel it.
What is it?
Oh.
I don't know what it is.
But I've seen these everywhere.
Mm-hmm.
I don't know what they are.
I think like popcorn and chips. Let's grab a bag of chips. Small one if I have it.
These are like onion rings.
Yeah, like Funyuns kind of.
Ooh, these ones. Original.
Yeah, why not?
I feel like they look interesting.
Let's grab one of
They're
these.
like corn chips.
Yeah, it looks like corn chips maybe. Let's grab one of those. Which one do you want? Cookies and cream, strawberry, brownie. We got a lot of chocolate stuff here. Let's get the strawberry one. Let's try it out. Ice Kiss. What is this?
I feel like
It's
they're
gum?
like high chews, maybe.
Maybe, yeah. Alright, I think we're good with that. Obrigado. Alright, back at the hotel, because we gotta leave the airport soon. Grabbed some sort of pastry, I don't know, it's got like ham and cheese on the inside. It's pretty good. If you know the name of them, let me know in the comments. But I wanted to talk about kind of the different ways of speaking here in Brazil in terms of Portuguese. Like for example, I've heard various different pronunciations of different words. For example, the word obrigado, which means thank you. I've heard people say brigado, so they don't say the O. I've heard people say obrigade, brigade, so they end with like an A sound. If you know why, let me know in the comments. I would assume it's because people are from different regions maybe. At least that's how it works in different countries, other countries that I know. But yeah, I'm not entirely sure. Let me know. All right, we had to rush, but we've made it to Tom Jobim Galileu International Airport. And yeah, we're just waiting for the check-in now for our flight to São Paulo. This is a nice airport, I gotta say. Obrigado. All right, we've made it on the plane, headed to Sao Paulo. We got a window seat. What's it up? I think it's like an hour flight. So, yeah. Have landed. We're here in Sao Paulo, and I believe so is Abel and the XO crew. So always cool to be in the same city. I've been seeing this Bob's Burgers restaurant like everywhere across Brazil, so I might grab one. Never mind, it's closed. It's closed.
And where's the bañero?
I need a bañero. Let's head out and find our personal driver, Gustavo. I'm not kidding. Gustavo, our personal driver.